Hi, I'm Jake, and welcome to the first episode of Cooking Advice for Straight Single Men. Today we're going to learn how to make pizza. So feel free to follow along at home as I share with you my 4-part process. Step 1. Order your favorite pizza, and make sure it's delivered.
Yeah, hi, I'd like to order a pizza for delivery. The name? The name is Jack Mehoff.
Step 2. Eat as much pizza as you possibly can. Then, without putting the pizza box back in the refrigerator, fall asleep. Step 3. When you wake up the next day at around noon, walk back into the kitchen and open up that box of pizza. Step 4. Put your pizza on a Dixie plate and microwave, uncovered, for 1 minute. Now in the meantime, while that's heating up, feel free to pour yourself a lukewarm glass of tap water. And that is how you make pizza for straight single men. Join us next week as we tackle an all-time favorite breakfast for dinner classic, cereal. See you next week.